Letter Z comes next in our worksheet, and letter Z, aluminum metal, is added to a solution of copper 2 chloride, a metal being placed into an aqueous solution. And we're being asked to consider at least two observations that a chemical reaction has occurred. Well, aluminum metal starts out as a solid, and copper 2 chloride is in solution, so ClCl2 in solution tells me that I'll have to dissociate that when I consider a net ionic equation. In a single displacement pattern, aluminum displaces the copper and hooks to the chloride. AlCl3 would be the beginning of our molecular formula. We'll balance up those chlorines by turning them both into 6s, giving me 3 in front of copper and 2 in front of aluminum. Working through to dissociate, 2 aluminums, net charge of 0 in its natural state, 3 copper plus 2s, and 6 chloride ions, yielding 3 coppers, now with oxidation of 0 in its natural state, 2 aluminum ions, and 6 chlorides. And you can clearly see it's the negative ion that we would eliminate as the spectator. Now, the aluminum at 0 as a solid and plus 3 do not cancel. Copper with a plus 2 on the left, but at a 0 in its natural state, will not cancel. So in our oxidation reduction, aluminum started as a 0, went to a plus 3. Copper started as a plus 2 and went to 0. Now, in terms of observations, we started with aluminum metal, and it dissolved into the water, and it disappeared. Now, aluminum, think of a piece of aluminum foil, is silver in color, it's shiny, and what happens is it dissolved. You no longer see the aluminum. Thinking about the solution then, copper started in the solution, and again, copper in water, we see that blue color. And as it plates out and forms a solid, you start to see copper plate out and form that, is it red or brown or whatever copper colored you want to call it? I'll call it reddish brown copper falls out of the solution. So you're seeing one metal, the aluminum, go into the water and disappear, and you see the other metal, copper, come out of the water, and they have unique colors. Think of a piece of aluminum foil and a copper penny, and you can describe two observations during that reaction.